In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner managing your finances or an accountant helping a client, knowing how to add users can really streamline your workflow. So, let's walk through the steps together. First, let's start by navigating over to QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, keep your eyes on the top right-hand corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This icon acts as a hub for all your settings and configuration needs within QuickBooks. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, you're going to look for an option labeled Manage Users. Clicking on Manage Users will bring you to a window where you can see a comprehensive list of users and accountants who currently have access to your QuickBooks account. This is your main control panel for handling who can log in and what they have access to, crucial for maintaining security and efficiency in your workflow. So, now that you're on the Manage Users page, you'll notice that depending on your specific QuickBooks plan, there will be an Add User button available to you. If you're on a plan that supports adding new users, this button will be readily accessible. When you spot it, go ahead and click on Add User. This is where things get a bit more personalized, as you'll now be setting things up for the new user you wish to add. After clicking Add User, a new field will appear where you can input the email address of the person you're planning to invite to your QuickBooks account. Make sure you enter the correct email address for the intended user, as this is how they will receive their invitation to join your QuickBooks Online session. After entering the email, QuickBooks will send an invitation directly to that address, giving the new user all the details they need to access the account securely. At this point, once you've entered the necessary information and sent off the invite, you're essentially done with the process. QuickBooks will handle the rest by guiding your new user through the remaining steps they need to follow to get started with their access. That's about it. The process is pretty straightforward, but each step is vital for ensuring that your QuickBooks environment remains organized and that access is only granted to those who need it. Knowing how to effectively add new users allows you to tailor access based on roles within your business or organization, thus enhancing overall efficiency and security. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the task clear and simple to tackle. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials if you're looking to master QuickBooks Online. Have a great day, and happy accounting!